Hello and welcome to our fourth lesson of Hustle course for beginners. In this lesson, we're going to be teaching you some tips and techniques that can help you to enhance your dancing. Hustle or disco dance was created around 1970s by Puerto Ricans from Bronx, and it's danced till today on a very popular music. And Hustle was featured in many movies such as Saturday Night Fever. Now, without any further ado, let's get started with some tips and techniques.
So the hustle or disco dance is a very fun dance, as you know. So basically all the music from 70s and 80s and even 90s and even modern music, it can be dance hustle on. However, now we're gonna talk a little bit about the techniques and tips that you need to use, especially with your feet while you're dancing the hustle. Now the most important step in hustle is basically the rock step, because you're gonna be doing it all the time. Now just pay attention when you're doing the rock step, just do it in the place. Try not to travel outside. So we'll do in the spot a rock step. So you always face your partner and do the rock step. Don't rotate, make sure that you are in a straight position. 1, 2. And then the 3, 4, the side together, or for the ladies it will be the forward side, it doesn't matter, is the time where you're gonna be traveling. So rock step is in the spot, and then when it comes to the 3, 4 or rotation is a side forward or side together for the gentleman. Now the second tip is basically while you're doing just the basic step, what you need to pay attention for your hands or your arms. So it's the gentleman or the leader's job to make sure that you're maintaining the same action all the time. So whenever it comes to the rock step, as we said, it's in the spot. Even also the hands gonna stay in the same position as close. So it's not too tight, not too wide, it's just under you, just like that. And it goes 1, 2. So the rock step, we close, and then 3, 4, we open. And we close again on the rock step. We open again on the 3, 4 or while we're traveling. And you might be curious to know that there are 3 basic steps for hustle. The first one that you already learned, the second one we call the tap, and it's a bit different from the regular basic. So it goes something like that. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1. So basically we took off the rock step and we replaced it with the tap step. It's not used anymore, it's really old, so stick to the one that you know. The third basic step is actually, it's a bit advanced than the one that we already know. What we call the syncopated basic. So it goes something like that. A 1, 2, 3, a 1, 2, 3, a 1, 2, 3, a 1. So when it comes to the syncopated one, it's a bit advanced level when it comes to the hustle. Now, basically, we call it syncopation or syncopated basic because we use a syncopation timing when it comes to the hustle. So instead of doing 1, 2, 3, 4, we do a 1. So when I say a 1, basically I'm syncopated the music, syncopated the step and the basic step. I go a 1, so it's like a half a beat. Then I do 1. It goes a 1, 2, 3, a 1. However, it is still rock step and a forward side or side together for the gentleman. Now, it's the same except that we don't put the heel down. We keep the heel up and it's more, the tempo is a little bit faster. So it goes a 1, a 1. So it's still rock step action, but half rock backward. And now when it comes to the music, there's a quick tip. Basically, the music of hustle is very simple. Let's say we're listening to a disco 70s kind of song. The count is very simple. It goes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and continuously like that. So we basically dancing on this 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. You can count it 8 or you can do just 4. So I go, for example, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. Whatever I'm doing is the same count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. It never changes.
And very important thing is whenever you learn how to lead and follow in hustle, it will make it much easier to dance other dances such as salsa, mambo, or any other dance, because it's a very social dance. And make sure that when you're dancing, especially as a follower, you don't grab your partner and you don't hesitate. So just make sure you are comfortable, so then it's easier for your partner to do different figures. For example, underarm turn or backhand change. It's all about the hand action, and just make sure that you keep continuing with your basic steps.
And now let's put all the steps that we learned together, the basic step, the underarm turn, and the backhand change together, and show you how you'll be able to blend it. So we'll start always with the basic step. It goes 1, 2, 3, 4. You can do a couple of basic just to get the music right, a couple of times, and then a backhand change into underarm turn, and you always can go back to your basic into underarm turn, a backhand change. Just keep it going. If you feel stuck, continue with your basic step, and underarm turn, backhand change, inside turn, basic step, and you finish the day. And now, since you learned how to blend it and how to do the rock step, and you have a little tip about the music, let's try everything now with the music. Thank you so much for watching this video. We hope you enjoyed and you learned something new today.
Now get up and practice your hustle, and if you found this video beneficial, please like, share and subscribe to our channel.
And we'll see you in the next one.